in today's video, we're gonna go over how to make money reselling. And it really is a very simple thing. I'm about to show you guys my results from reselling. I don't want to show what I've sold, but you can see there that it say 13,000. Nothing crazy. It's a really simple thing, and I'm about to break it down to y'all real fast, real quick. Basically, you can start reselling right now with $20. You do the $20 and make sure your vendors are right. So first off, you want to make sure you got the right vendors. In my description, I have 2 vendors. I have a free use vendor, which is me, and I will ship products to you. And I have a paid vendor, which is where I get my stuff from to sell to you. Once you have a vendor, you use your money to make an investment into whatever you want to sell. And after you buy your product, you wait for it to come. Once it comes, you post it on eBay, Rakai, Poshmark, Vinted, Facebook Marketplace, anywhere you can find, Instagram, and wait for it to get sold. When it gets sold, you'll make profit. So you end up flipping your money, and that is the whole process of reselling. You invest $25, make 50, invest $50, make 100. It really is that simple. It just comes down to finding the right products. I have more in-depth videos on this channel, but this was just a quick breakdown for y'all to kind of understand the model of reselling. Like I said, if you need vendors, click the description.